Hi, everybody. It's me again. Today, I just received my Twinchie swap I was in. If you remember, um, the Facebook group I was in did a Twinchie, 6 Twinchies you were supposed to create. It could be any style. Um, it just had to be 2 by 2 square. So it was such a funny thing. My package went on vacation to Florida. I don't know why that happened. She had my correct address and everything, my swap partner. I felt so bad. So I let her know that I haven't received your package yet, but I just checked the tracking and it kind of went on vacation. So, so um, So it came today, so I was so happy. I let her know, and I posted in the group and everything. So I wanted to come on here and share what she sent me. So my swap partner, her name is Jackie, and oh, these are so pretty, Jackie. If you follow me, I don't even know if you do on I know she does on Facebook, but not in on YouTube. So here, I'm sorry about my little accident. It doesn't look really pretty, but so here's one. It says Imagine. I love the paper. I love the texture. She has some cheesecloth and a metal butterfly and an itty bitty heart. So pretty. And then here's another one. It says Spring. And there's like a teeny tiny wood grain paper in the background. Must be 6 by 6 paper, but it's so tiny. And beautiful flowers with stickles on it. And it says Spring. It's so pretty. And then here's another one. It says Serenity. Some lace and cheesecloth and a wooden butterfly. Love it. And then this one says Grateful. This one has like tulle. And I want to say this is a flower lace. And it's just a punched out heart, but it has some kind of gloss on it, as you can see. And I don't know if that's stickles or just glitter, but I love that. And then this one here is a Christmas one. Love this tool. And this must be like, I don't know what this, did I just take that off? Jeez whiz. I'll glue it back on. But it is so dimensional. It's cardinal. It's a cardinal bling. It's so pretty. And then the star, just love that. It says peace. It has hollies in the background. It's so pretty. Last but not least is this one. And again, with the wood grain in the background, some beautiful applique. And this trim is really unique. I've never seen that before. And it says, So Alive. So here are all my Twinchies from my swap partner. Excuse me. And she has given me some goodies. Oh my gosh. I have to share this one. I don't know if she made this, but look at this charm or dangle, whatever you want to call it. It is just precious. And I think it's supposed to be a dragonfly. Isn't that so pretty? With these little pearls. Oh my gosh, I want to make some of these. And this ribbon for the wings, it is so pretty. I love that. Thank you, Jackie. I love this. This is different, and I've never seen anybody. I don't know. I haven't seen anybody make one. So I love that. And then she sent me some bling. This bling, oh, I have never seen bling like this. That's already on sticky paper, ready to go. Oh my gosh. Okay. Never seen that. I've seen a lot. Here's that beautiful applique that she must have used. This must be a piece. Beautiful, beautiful. And then here's a piece of beautiful lace. Love that. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. And this I haven't seen in a really long time. This almost looks like it's strung pearl beads. I don't think I've seen this anymore. But thank you for sharing. Oh my gosh. And then lastly, she gave me some printed out butterflies. And who doesn't like butterflies? Because I do. I love them. I love them all. So she's printed out printed and fussy cut it out, some really pretty butterflies, or these could be moths. I don't know. Could they be moths? I don't know. They might be, but we'll go with butterflies. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Great swap. I'll have the Facebook group down below if you want to join us. I'm never disappointed. Love, love, love my swap, and I'll see you next time. So thanks everyone. Bye now.